In this video, we will see how to activate and restore backups in a cloud. First, we access our SW panel. Then we head to the cloud dashboard. In the Available Improvements section, we activate the option Backups. Next, we select the location where the backups will be saved. Define the retention, the days we want to keep the backups, and the number of full copies to be made in a week. In this section, we will select the hosting services and the desired contents that we want to define in the backup copy. To restore a backup, it has to be done through the Backup dashboard in the Manage Backup Copies option. Click on Restore Backup. Decide on desired option. In this case, we will restore the backup of a service. Select the data we want to recover. We can also choose the backup day to recover for each content. You can opt to restore the backup and overwrite the current content, or leave it in another directory. Click on Start Recovery.